Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Amazing Facts with Shahir Asim. Today I would like to tell you about world number 1 fighter jet aircraft capable to take off on short runway and having landing capabilities, which is vertical landing capabilities. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is an American family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather stealth multi-role combat fighter jet that is intended to perform both air superiority and strike missions. It is also able to provide electronic warfare and intelligence surveillance capabilities. The Lockheed Martin made F-35 Lightning II, which is widely considered the world's most advanced fighter jet, which is available in three configurations, that is A, B and C. Basically it is designed for defense industry. US Air Force uses A and B category aircraft due to short takeoff and landing capabilities, and the carrier-borne F-35C is used by the US Navy. It has also took part in the movie that is Top Gun. It has the role of stealth multi-role fighter, and nation origin of this jet is US, of course. It has been manufactured by the Lockheed Martin Aeronautics. Its first flight was conducted on 15th December 2006, which was F-35A. F-35A was introduced into the service on 2nd August 2016. While of course about F-35B, it was included on 31st July 2015, and likely as far as F-35C is concerned, it was introduced in 2018. The program about building of manufacturing of the F-35 aircraft was intended to replace the United States military General Dynamic F-16 Fighting Falcon 8 and Thunderbolt, McDonnell Douglas F-A-18, etc. The question arises that why F-35 aircraft? Why it is the leader? Why it is the top 5? It falls in the top 5 most fighter jets of the world. Why huge budget was exhausted on production of this aircraft? The reason behind this was that because F-35 strengthens the national security, which also enhances global partnership and power economic growth. As it is the most lethal, survivable and connected fighter jet in the world, F-35 gives pilots the most critical advantages against any adversary, enabling them to execute their missions and come back home safe. As far as delivering transformational capabilities is concerned, F-35 being a decisive advantage to the battle space, providing an asymmetric advantage across the multi-domain spectrum. Its transformational capabilities enable pilots to operate in any environment against any threat. Simply it is the most advanced multi-role fighter jet in the world, which is capable of delivering unmatched lethality, serviceability and connectivity. It also became the source of strengthening the global coalition. F-35 serves as the backbone of allied air power for 13 nations and countries, playing a critical role in the joint domain operations. The fighter begins unprecedented structural awareness information sharing and connecting to the collision. This was all about F-35 aircraft. I hope you would like this video. Thank you very much.